Lecture 5, Discourse Analysis Methods 1. Introduction to Discourse. Discourse analysis is a qualitative research method that studies language in its social context. It focuses on how language constructs meaning, social identities, and power relations. By examining both written texts and spoken communication, discourse analysis emphasizes the importance of context and social practices in shaping language use. The purpose of discourse analysis is to reveal how language influences perceptions, identities, and social dynamics. It explores the ways in which language constructs social realities, reflecting and reinforcing cultural norms and power structures. This understanding is vital for analyzing how communication operates in various social settings, from everyday conversations to institutional discourse. Key approaches to discourse. Analysis, conversation analysis, CA. Conversation analysis focuses on the structure and organization of spoken interaction. It examines how participants manage conversations, with key concepts including turn-taking, pauses, and repairs. By analyzing these elements, researchers can uncover the underlying rules and practices that govern spoken communication. Critical discourse analysis, CDA. Critical discourse analysis investigates the relationship between language, power, and ideology. It examines how discourse reflects and reinforces social inequalities, focusing on how language can perpetuate dominant ideologies. CDA emphasizes the social and political contexts that shape discourse, revealing how language contributes to the maintenance of power structures. Foucauldian discourse analysis. Inspired by the work of Michel Foucault, this approach analyzes how discourse shapes knowledge and power relations. It emphasizes the historical and cultural context of discourse, exploring how language constructs social reality and influences perceptions of truth and authority. Narrative analysis. Narrative. Analysis studies how stories are constructed and the meanings they convey. It focuses on the structure, themes, and character development within narratives, revealing how storytelling shapes understanding and influences identity. Methods of data collection, textual analysis. Textual analysis involves examining written texts, such as articles, reports, and social media posts. This method allows researchers to analyze how language is used to convey meaning and construct social realities. Transcription of spoken interaction. Creating detailed transcripts of conversations captures the nuances of speech, including pauses, intonation, and overlapping dialogue. This method is crucial for analyzing spoken discourse, allowing researchers to study the dynamics of interaction. Interviews and focus groups. Collecting qualitative data through interviews and focus groups enables researchers to explore participants' perspectives and experiences. This method provides insights into how individuals understand and engage with language in their social contexts. Ethnographic methods. Ethnographic methods involve observational techniques to study language use in natural settings. By immersing themselves in specific communities, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of how discourse operates within cultural practices. Techniques for analyzing discourse. Thematic analysis. Thematic analysis involves identifying recurring themes and patterns within the discourse. This technique allows researchers to uncover key ideas and concepts, providing insights into how language constructs meaning. Frame analysis. Frame analysis examines how issues are framed in discourse and the implications of different framings. By analyzing the framing of topics, researchers can reveal how language influences perceptions and shapes public understanding. Metaphor. Analysis. Metaphor analysis investigates the use of metaphors and their impact on understanding and meaning. Metaphors shape how we conceptualize complex ideas, making this analysis crucial for understanding language's influence on thought. Speech Act Theory. Speech Act theory analyzes the intentions behind utterances and their effects on communication. This approach examines how language functions as an action, influencing social interactions and relationships. Applications of discourse. Analysis. Discourse analysis has numerous applications across various fields. Media studies. In media studies, discourse analysis is used to analyze news articles and broadcasts, uncovering biases and representations. This examination helps reveal how language shapes public perception and influences societal narratives. Political discourse, discourse analysis, is essential for examining speeches, debates, and political rhetoric. By analyzing language use in politics, researchers can uncover power dynamics and explore how language shapes public discourse. Interpersonal communication. Understanding how language affects relationships and social interactions is a key application of discourse analysis. This approach helps researchers explore the nuances of communication in personal and professional contexts. Education. In education, analyzing classroom discourse can improve teaching and learning practices. By examining how language is used in educational settings, educators can enhance engagement and foster effective communication. Challenges in discourse. Analysis, despite its strengths, discourse analysis faces several challenges. Subjectivity. One of the main challenges is the potential for researcher bias in interpretation and analysis. Researchers must be aware of their perspectives and strive for objectivity in their work. Context. Dependency. Discourse meanings can vary greatly depending on context. Understanding the specific social and cultural contexts in which discourse occurs is essential for accurate analysis. Complexity of language. Navigating the nuances and ambiguities inherent in language use can be challenging. Discourse analysts must grapple with the complexity of language and the multiple meanings that can arise in different contexts. Future directions. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of discourse analysis. Interdisciplinary approaches. Combining insights from linguistics, sociology, and psychology will enrich discourse analysis. Interdisciplinary collaboration can foster a deeper understanding of how language operates in social contexts. Digital discourse analysis. Exploring discourse in online environments, such as social media and forums, is becoming increasingly important. Digital discourse analysis examines how language use evolves in digital communication, revealing new patterns and practices. Reflective practice. Encouraging researchers to reflect on their positionality and its influence on analysis promotes transparency and integrity in discourse research. This reflection can enhance the quality of analysis and foster ethical research practices. In conclusion, discourse analysis is a powerful method for studying language in its social context. By exploring various approaches and techniques, researchers can uncover how language constructs meaning, identities, and power relations.